Garima, how does it feel to bring a financial year to a close?
Did you get my coffee?
Oh, my coffee.
Where is it?
My coffee.
Where is it?
देखी में
क्या
देखी में बिकॉज मैं ऑफिस में पीऊंगा और अभी उसकी आइस मेल्ट हो रही है. Garima, do you think we're as happy generally or in front of the camera we're happier?
As happy generally होते. What do you mean? You think we're acting?
I'm just asking.
You think we're acting?
Hello and welcome to financial year 26.
Me.
That brings
So exciting.
financial year 25 to an end.
So exciting when you put financial year at the beginning of the sentence.
That is life. If you can be posting about EBITDA on Instagram, then I can be talking about welcoming.
I was posting about a sticker that I found in your niece's house that was stuck by a 5-year-old to a piece of furniture, and I was like, wow.
Garima, how does it feel to bring a financial year to a close?
Did you get my coffee?
Oh, my coffee.
Where is it?
My coffee.
Where is it?
देखी में
क्या
देखी में बिकॉज मैं ऑफिस में पीऊंगा और अभी उसकी आइस मेल्ट हो रही है. Garima, do you think we're as happy generally or in front of the camera we're happier?
As happy generally होते. What do you mean? You think we're acting?
I'm just asking.
You think we're acting? If I was acting, I wouldn't be looking this dead and asking for coffee.
Fair point. So that's why coffee came into your mind, because you were analyzing yourself and you thought I'm low on energy, and that's when coffee struck you. Psycho-analyzed you.
Oh no, you're making great strides. Understanding emotions.
Understanding coffee patterns, rather.
That's only in me, specifically. That's not general.
So Garima, let me ask you a few rapid-fire questions. What's your skincare routine?
A skincare routine. Working out.
What moisturizer do you put at night?
At night, nothing.
What beauty cream do you put in the morning?
Beauty cream. There's no beauty cream.
How old are you?
33.
How do you feel to be 33?
Young.
What's the last injury you got?
चिकनगुनिया अभी तक मेरे पीछा नहीं छोड़ा है.
Injury
9
हो गई.
महीने हो गए. इंजरी है वो.
What do you think about the India-Paki wars that could happen?
What is one thing about war, no? That it shouldn't happen.
No, I'm sure there are like some people who are like, oh, come on, karo yaar, karo.
I'm not in that camp.
Let's not get into controversial topics. So what do you think about dogs and bitches?
Sorry? What did you say?
A business, I'm talking about a business.
What did you say, Arnav?
We're in the dogs and bitches business.
Shameful.
क्या गलत है?
Absolutely shameful.
क्या गलत है?
Absolutely shameful.
No, if you start interpreting what I'm saying,
Why did you say it like that? Then tell me that. If I'm interpreting, why did you say it?
but I'm being gender neutral.
Why didn't you just say dogs?
So I'll say, okay, instead of all humans, all people.
Perfect. Yeah, so
I don't know.
will you say
I'll say all men. All men. I noticed.
people, na? People is a common word.
Yeah, so dogs is not a common word.
Canines.
Canine है. Canine business.
बोल फिर.
We're in the नहीं, but what is like dog canine?
Canine.
Canine so वो तो पूरा category हो गया
Oh,
ना.
canine is dogs.
No, it's not only dogs.
Yes, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I think
Yeah.
you can't be in the pet business and not know this.
Yeah, canine is dog and feline is cat.
Canine is only dogs?
Enough. This is
Oh my god, I thought it's like a few other categories here and there.
like what? Wolves.
Yeah.
Are you mad? It's dogs.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh my god, that's a disaster in the making. It's a disaster in the making.
How many years has it been around?
I always thought it's like a slightly wider category.
Many years has it been?
33 as we started.
33? Why of you doing this business in canines that you did not know?
Oh my god.
So I foiled you. I foiled your plan to get a reaction out of me. और बताओ भाई क्या हाल है? हाल क्या है?
So what was I feel like every time we get into a conversation we're like तो फिर last year को summarize करते हैं, last quarter को summarize करते हैं.
So
That's how my mind
it's a
thinks.
journal. It's a live journal.
It is a journal. So what is your opinion, no, what is your review of the route of the the journey to work from
commute क्या रिव्यू
in the last quarter.
बहुत ट्रैफिक है और आगे को ले जाए तो मजे आ जाए क्या करें
तो क्या मैं अपना हाईलाइट बता देता हूँ लास्ट क्वार्टर नहीं, हम किसका क्वार्टर की बात करें, FY की बात कर रहे हैं
चाहे
या आप
हो सकता है बहुत हमने बातें करनी है पिछले साल के बारे में अब आगे बढ़े हम
आगे? तो मेरे लिए सबसे एक्साइटिंग चीज़ है AI. बहुत एक्साइटमेंट हो गई बिकॉज नाउ आई रियली लाइक गॉन इनटू इट. आई कपल ऑफ न्यूज़लेटर्स आई फॉलो, उनके पिछले उनके डेली ईमेल्स आते हैं, ठीक है, तो उसमें प्रॉम्प्ट टिप्स आते हैं, टूल्स आते हैं, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज आती हैं, जस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन आता है, सब कुछ आता है. मैंने उनके पिछले 1.5 साल के सारे पढ़ लिए. मतलब अभी 100 बचे हुए हैं बट अबाउट 200 ऑड ईमेल्स आई हैव रेड. तो उसमें से मल्टीपल टूल्स आई हैव ट्राइड आउट, जस्ट वेंट इनटू इट, एक्सप्लोर्ड, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. एंड एक दो छोटे छोटे चीज़ें भी बनाई हैं, उसमें भी बहुत मजा आया. बट अभी just I've started getting into it. Like I feel like I'm 2 years late, 3 years late to this, and so many people haven't even started exploring it yet. So we're still early. So I think it can be quite an advantage. Anyway, blabbered enough about AI, but that's my big thing for myself.
No, it is pretty
Self-learn.
exciting. I do agree with you because for me, what's changed is I'm using AI literally for everything. I've made projects on ChatGPT, as you know,
Everyone.
but maybe this video we've never talked about it. But I've got like separate projects where one is only for product management and thinking, one is only for marketing, one is only for, of course, therapy. But work-wise, it's actually really simplified a lot of things for me. A lot of what I used to feel I didn't have time to do because it would take sitting down, thinking about it. Then there were some skill sets which I didn't have.
बताओ ना,
Time to
practical
develop.
बताओ, example बताओ.
No, for example, marketing. A lot of my handicap used to be not having the time to sit and think about social media content, to be able to do everything from, acha, this is the strategy, now this is what we need to do. In terms of a video, uska script, uska creative, usko edit karna lagana.
Of the quality that you desire.
Of the quality that I would want, the stuff that would make it stand out, be different from competitors, also be liked obviously by customers, etc., etc. Same thing with ads, right? Being able to create simple but memorable 10-12 second ads that if we are pushing on reach, matlab, to give even the last, say, 6 months ka example, we've done a lot of ads where we've had to sit and shoot, and it has taken at least a week for us to actually get down to getting the final product.
I remember days तुम ब्लॉक करते थे, पूरा कैलेंडर ब्लॉक करते थे, अदर टीम से लोगों को ब्लॉक
ये
करते थे.
4 बंदे बैठा के उनके साथ भी शूट कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. But now for performance, for at least basic level performance marketing, I'm not even talking about like proper ads, like the one that we shot last year, jo not everyone gets it wala, that of course you can't do with AI. You can do maybe some pieces of it. For example, maybe editing में थोड़ी मेहनत हो जाए, script में थोड़ी मेहनत बच जाए, वो सब. But a full-scale ad film, of course, you can't replace. And there is a place for that. And you want to do it because it creates brand image. But simple stuff around performance marketing or simple stuff around creatives that we want to do on a regular basis for things like sales, things like, अच्छा इस weekend के events क्या हैं, जहाँ पे the nature of the creative that you're making or the content you're making is ephemeral. Matlab, it's going to just like vanish. It's not relevant after, say, 7 days. You don't want to put in too much effort there. You want to reduce the amount of time it takes you to do that because you should be able to spend your time in a more meaningful place that creates a more long-lasting impact. So some of that stuff now has become, honestly, for me, like 2 hours in a week.
So let me ask you a question. Does it feel like you have 2-3 AI team members working with you?
100%. I've just stopped short of giving them names, but it practically does feel like that. थोड़ा सा weird है.
I was thinking कि ऐसा कुछ prefix होना चाहिए for all AI agents and bots They should be like उनका नाम AI से शुरू होना चाहिए जैसे Mr. Mrs. तो फिर
I younger, higher.
I was thinking how weird would it be for people इनका नाम ही AI से शुरू होता है.
जैसे कि
I younger.
ऐशानी, आयशानी
Aisha, stuff like that.
और
yeah.
क्या नाम होते हैं ये ऐसे जो शुरू हो सकता है
Aisha.
आयशा कैसे रहा सही है I like your idea ना I think you should do it
है ना तो globally imagine a common AI so you can differentiate you don't already getting
Just like that joke somebody tweeted saying that their mom or their dad or someone went through their phone and said कि बेटा ये टिंडर कास्ट वाले लोग कहाँ से होते हैं
क्या मतलब
टिंडर कास्ट
Kinder cast.
उसने फोन के कॉन्टैक्ट्स में सबका नाम ऐसे टिंडर लगा के लिखा हुआ है
Oh, so what are the names that you'd give your AI agents?
At the moment, nothing. At the moment, they're just like clones of me, you know. They haven't personified them into different people. But it's the part of me that is thinking like that. It's like I'm like Ravan, you know. I have 10 heads, you know, and all of them have a different.
Garima 1, Garima 2, Garima.
Actually, that works also because I don't want it to be isolated. Na? Matlab, if my marketing brain also is connected to my product brain, then you're thinking that much more holistically about it. You know what I mean?
मैं तो सोच रहा था जैसे हम अपने इन्वेस्टर डेटा रूम अभी बना रहे थे वो ड्यू डिलिजेंस के पार्ट में तो that has a summary of all the documents and everything for the past
Yeah.
since we started right secretarial legal financial सब कुछ है उसमें मतलब if you add and then MIS and
Yeah.
business verticals business documents imagine if you put all of that into and give ChatGPT that level of context.
Yeah. But यही तो कर रहे हैं. Like अभी मैंने पढ़ा in fact. I think somebody tweeted about how they are using Claude for augmenting their investment decisions because what they've done is exactly this. They've created essay projects for each company that they've invested in or they're considering with all of their data.
Oh my god.
And then what they're doing is they're asking that it seems that this is getting saturated. So they're asking and then it fact finds कि अच्छा नहीं this
Not over it. It's gonna change the investor world a lot.
investor world तो सही है but I'm saying that internally we can use it as a way to also identify trends, right? Because if we're anyway keeping track of अच्छा every month this is what our MIS is, this is where things move, la, we're able to pick out patterns. Quicker, मतलब we are anyway doing it, but
Yeah.
it just becomes a quicker process.
And what else is new?
Speak to my product manager brain. What else is new?
AI PM Garima. AI PMG. AI PM CMAIG.
IIPM.
G AI PM. Guy. Guy.
That's my guy. I got a guy for that.
So Garima क्या लग रहा है? How sustainable do you think we are as a startup now versus
Sustainable versus?
6 months back?
This is an ever evolving question. अभी तो सही लग रहा है. अभी तो सही लग रहा है. और अभी मतलब थोड़े
सही मैं तो बोलूँगा काफी
सिग्नल्स भी हैं.
नहीं मैं तो मेरे हिसाब से तो there is a level of not comfort I would say but there is some like a deeper level of confidence कि हाँ तो समझ गए हैं यो
Keep saying this word again and again, but there is more clarity. More we do, the more we will know, the more we will be able to say that अच्छा visibility अब 10 मीटर है या 20 मीटर है या 30 मीटर है या 60 मीटर है या जो भी है. ऐसे ही होता है और क्या होता है.
बट कुछ फंडामेंटल्स तो काफी
भगवान तो है नहीं मतलब वो तो ऐसे करके ही पता लगेगा. What?
fundamentals definitely have improved so that's good.
That's correct. That is correct. और बताओ.
So what are you most excited for in the next quarter?
I'm very excited about the fact that we're rebuilding the big parts of the tech interfaces for customers, partners, and even the internal team. And of course, the backend that makes that happen. Because, I mean, whatever we've built has served the purpose till now, obviously. And the interest, उस time पे भी also a lot of decisions we took were thinking more about पहले हम चला के देखते हैं. But now that we know that it's working and now the tech, now there is demand coming from the teams to actually improve it, right? पहले it was a push कि use करना है and it was क्यों करना है, क्या करना है, किस लिए, partner side से भी आता था, customer side से भी आता था. Now that complaint has changed to I need this or how do we do this better? So that also tells you that now it is time to do this, because if you are seeing customers say that, you know, I expect this and I'm paying for this, then you want to make that effort also, right? If they're not actually valuing it, तो फिर तो क्या ही है? But that similarly with partners also, there is a certain expectation they have, because all of them have used, or if they're not actively using alongside Float, they have used in the past other gig work apps. So there is an expectation of how an app works. There's an expectation of how they know about their earnings, how they get jobs, etc., etc., etc. So we have to match that, because you can't be in the gig space and compete for the same people who are working in different places also, without having something which is a tangible benefit that they receive as well. So मजे वो है. So this quarter focus तो मेरा वही है. एक तो customer app का हम revamp करने हैं, so that should be out June, and then we start working on the partner app. Partner app release next quarter में होगा, but a lot of the groundwork
नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर में होगा क्या?
जून
नहीं,
में करेंगे ना उनका.
तो जून में ही तो रिलीज हो जाएगा.
आए हो जाएगा ना अपना फर्स्ट वीक, ऑब्वियसली.
नहीं, जून एंड तक हो सकता है.
Okay.
इसी क्वार्टर में करना है. क्वार्टर नहीं चेंज हो सकता.
Okay.
Anyway, मेरा भी एक्चुअली काफी सिमिलर है. What I'm most looking forward to, but it's experience, but not on the, yours is on the product side, mine is experience on the operation side. That customers and partners, they need to, it needs to be a level apart from what they like. There needs to be the delight built in, those moment of real happiness of, oh, this is kick-ass. वो और जो हम वो करते थे मेरे हिसाब से. But बीच में when that scale thing, I wouldn't say we'd forgotten it, we just really tough to focus on three things at the same time. We didn't have one target. So when you're trying to grow, you're doing everything so that you can, and now when you're,
it's difficult to scale that, na? How do you do? Moment of delight for us was literally making a special treat in our office kitchen in Gurgaon and sending it to Gurgaon customers. You can't do that even in Delhi, because for that you'll need to set up an office in Delhi and do it. So forget doing it in 10 other cities, 30 other cities, right? So वो तो impossible है. So we have to figure out a different way of doing it.
yeah. Oh, even the bringing back the training focus. Pehle we assumed that everyone was starting from zero and training them in that way.
Yeah.
Then we started saying, okay, let's only start training people who are at 50%. And our way of maybe identifying what they were at 50% was not accurate, or they were not actually 50%. So there was a lot of mismatch between the expectation, or not expectation, but our promise or what we wanted to deliver and what the person was actually able to deliver. So that again we are reworking, and now it looks much better. Orientation training focus, so that is also exciting. Even the partners value it, because as opposed to it is not like riding a scooty and taking one thing from one place to the other, na. वो थोड़ा तो अलग है अपना. So उसमें the right investment, and it's not necessarily doing it in 20-day training camps, but whatever. So so that is exciting. So again, experience on the customer side and experience on the partner side, but from an operations and service delivery perspective.
And that actually is, मतलब both are critical, but if your service quality is not there,
The app can only do that.
हाँ मतलब इसका कोई point, because you can capture demand and sure your acquisition side will work well, but ultimately the person will stick with you, and ours is a retention business. People will not stick unless the service quality that they get after they've bought in for the first time, if they've taken that shot, they get a reliable, good quality experience. So that's what it is. Those are the only two things मेरे हिसाब से. I don't think it is a everything else is anyway organically happening, and that's been our learning. So yeah. और कुछ आप बताना चाहेंगे क्योंकि हम आप हैं 300 मीटर दूर हम वापस
I think that's about it. But another big learning that's come about, and I think the focus that's going to be is I think, for doing Dixonty as a brand, and then we started thinking a lot more performance, sale, and had forgotten the brand element. And to be fair, I didn't understand it that much. But now we're back to that focus, and that's actually the right way of building it. Maza tabhi hai. It was fun only then. When you do it the right way, you know. But I guess you have to go through phases of both.
yeah
So that's about it. And on that note, on that note,
on that
we have nowhere to park the car. On that note, goodbye, farewell.
bye bye
See you on the other side.